How to close or delete Fidelity account. Hey guys, welcome back. In this following video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Fidelity account. In order to do it, so first of all, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now, according to Google, what you can find is that in order to delete your Fidelity account, you'll need to contact the customer service. Do it first of all web browser. After that, on the web address bar, type in close Fidelity account. Now you'll be able to see multiple search results. As you can see, according to Google, you cannot close your account without the help of an expert or a customer service. So you'll contact the toll-free number. As you can see, it's displayed right over here, and then request to delete your account. After that, you need to go through all of the adjustment process, and you'll need to provide in all of the information to verify your identity. Only then you'll be able to delete or close your Fidelity account. Now you can find all of the search results, go through all of these links and articles. You'll be able to delete your account. Now that is how you can close or delete your Fidelity account on your device. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.